We're going to a family's house.
Household.
Oh, household. And they have compost toilets in the house?
Yes.
Okay. That's a goat right here. Families live here.
The household.
Just one household?
There are 2 households here.
2 households.
But they are using one dry compost toilet. You know this in the community at this time. People go and look for food. And no one is at home. You know, they expected like at around 11.
It's kids. This is a granary where they keep grain, I guess, up off the ground where nothing can get it. What is this?
This is a house.
The house under construction?
Under construction, yeah.
Okay. And these are the toilets over here?
Yeah, that's it.
What the heck? Goats use this toilet, huh?
The goats just.
The goats are. The goats are in here. Well, we're going to look for the compost bin now. Another house under construction. There's a bin, not much in it. How long have they been using these toilets?
June last year.
June last year.
Yeah.
Boy, doesn't seem like they use it very often. All right, we saw the bin, compost bin, the toilet here. These 2 little kids are, there's no one home, just those 2 little, actually 3 little kids. Look to be about age 3 and under. We're going over to the next household and we're going to take a look at their setup over there. Here's a garden. I guess the fence keeps out the goats. It's starting to rain. We're stuck in a compost toilet. Okay, we just spent 15 minutes, 5 of us crammed in that compost toilet while it poured rain. And now we are going back to the car. There's the compost bin. I better follow them so I don't get lost. There's a kid there. The guy must live here.